Hey, hello guys, this is Tejal from Sunmol Software and today we are going to learn how to add milestones. So let's start. Just click on Project Manager module, then open Milestones submodule and just go on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. You can easily export multiple data of milestones through export to CSV and export to Excel options. If you want to create a milestone, then please click on add milestone option, then just add milestone name, then just select customer. If you don't get this list of customer, then please check my previous video how to add customers. Then select project. If you don't get any project list in this list, then please check my previous video how to add projects. And then just select price method and add scope of work. I'm just adding test milestone and just save your entry. Your milestone will be created successfully and you can easily view, edit and delete that through these actions. If you want to quick search your milestone, then you can use this filter to search it, and you can use this refresh button to refresh your search data. That's it. Thank you. If you get any queries to add milestones, then please get in contact with us at contact us at @sunmolesoftware.com. See you soon in the next video.